Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Grammarly rules for consistent writing productivity step by step clearly. Begin by opening your Grammarly account on your preferred browser. Once logged in, navigate to the account section in the lower left corner of the screen. Select apps from the menu to view the available integrations. Locate and click on Settings in the left sidebar. In the Settings menu, find the Writing Style section to customize your preferences. Explore the options available under Goals to set the tone, formality, and audience for your writing. Adjust the rules for clarity, engagement, and delivery based on your writing needs. Next, proceed to the Manage Rules section to set specific guidelines for your writing. Here, you can enable or disable various suggestions that Grammarly offers. For more personalized rules, click on Add a Custom Rule where you can input unique guidance. Define the parameters for your custom rules based on your specific writing style. Once your rules are set, review them to ensure they align with your goals. After reviewing, hit Save to apply your settings. Take some time to write a sample text to see how Grammarly applies your new rules. Monitor Grammarly's suggestions as you write to maintain consistent application of your rules. Adjust your rules as necessary to better fit your evolving writing style. Regularly revisit the settings as you continue to refine your skills over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.